Hi, my name is Jason Morgan. I'm a wildlife artist, and today I'm using a different kind of pastel pencil for me. They're Gioconda and they're soft pastel pencils, and the thing that's attracted me to these is their vibrancy. And you can see on the top shelf there's lots and lots of really rich vibrant colours, and on the bottom shelf there, just pick up these tabs and there's more muted colours on there as well. So 48 in the set, and what I wanted to actually do then was pick a very vibrant subject, so that I could really push these pencils to their limit on pastel paper. And I've selected this peacock butterfly. I couldn't think of anything else that was as punchy as this. And some of the other pastel pencils, they would have struggled a bit to get a lot of richness in some of these colours. Now this is just a short video where I'm showing off these pencils. I've got a 2-hour version of this over on my Patreon art channel, where I cover lots of tips, techniques, and details on lots and lots of different wildlife subjects. The thing I found about the Gioconda, they're a little bit softer than Carbothello, softer than pit pastels, and the vibrant colours in the range are much more vibrant. Really suited to doing subjects that got extremely bright colours. There's also muted colours in there as well, so it's a very good range. 48 pencils in that set. You can see here on these few clips I'm going to show you how I apply them to the paper. I'm using pastelmat paper. Go through a lot of this in detail on the full tutorial. Layering colours, Giocondas really layer very well because they are that little bit softer, and they also blend extremely easily as well. But the main reason I wanted to try these pencils out was for that vibrancy. As I mentioned, this areas that lots of other pencils struggle with, and we generally have to switch into the soft pastel sticks to try and get the punchiest of colours. But you can see here I'm putting down this extremely vibrant red very easily with just one pencil. Then I can come back, layer some yellow underneath just for the colours on that edge, and then come back in with the reds as well. So the pencils really perform extremely well on this difficult, vibrant subject. Now the other benefit of having a slightly softer pencil is that it blends so easily. And this is the benefit of pastels in general. We can make extremely smooth transitions in between colours so quickly just by blending with your finger, and I'm just using my little finger here. And then I can come back in. Now I've got this base colour down and actually apply darker colours using a stipple effect to get those tiny little dots that's on that butterfly's wings. And I can also layer more of the lighter colours on top as well. And yet another benefit of having these pencils, these slightly softer ones, is the black is so black. Very similar to using a soft pastel stick that's extremely black, so it's got that benefit of being able to have a high degree of contrast. So the white pencil is very white and the black is very black. Here you can see how I'm layering colours on top of each other just to add fine details, which is so easy to do in pastel pencils. And also using a stippled effect where I put the yellow down first, then I've come over with a darker colour to subdue it. Always much easier to subdue a vibrant colour. And now using exactly the same technique, I do the wing on the right hand side. And once again apply that super vibrant red, which I blend with my fingers before adding all the tiny little details on top. So as you can see, the pencils have performed superbly. The vibrancy is really there. I've just got a bit of fine tuning to do to finish off the drawing, and then I can work on the flowers as well. All this and more is covered over on my Patreon channel. Hope this video has helped you to pick up a few tips here and there. See you all again real soon.